Hello everyone. Let us have an introduction to internet working. So till now we have assumed that there is a single homogeneous network and each machine uses the same protocol in each layer, which is unfortunately not true. So we have the concept of internet working. So it is nothing but a combination of inter and networking, which means connecting different networks or nodes. It has been established through intermediary devices like routers or gateways. Internetwork is nothing but a collection of individual networks functioning as a large single network. The primary protocol it addresses is the TCP/IP, which enables communication between networks. Now, what is the purpose of internet working? Now, it would be much simpler to join networks together if everyone used a single networking technology. But this cannot be the case. So, to address packet delivery across multiple links, internetworking was introduced. So internetworking is nothing but connecting via routers, that is the network layer. Example is the internet, which is the largest example of networking. Now there are different types of internet working. First one is the intranet, then we have extranet, and then the most famous, the internet. So intranet is nothing but private network within an organization. For example, if there is a company and it has to organize its machines in the network, then they can use the intranet. It uses IP-based tools such as the browsers or FTP, and it has limited external access. That means the net over there is limited to only that facility. The second one is the extranet, which is the private network with limited connections to other external networks. Often includes partners or clients. For example, if we have two labs, then we have limited and we want to connect one lab with another lab, but we do not want to connect all the machines from the second lab. So that in that case, extranet can be used. That means we have limited connections to other external networks, and it often includes partners or clients. If we look through the perspective of an organization in this case, then the machines in the organization would be in the network, and there would be some limited connections to some other parties, that is the external parties, for example their clients or some partners of their organization. And the next one is the internet, that is nothing but global network of interconnected networks, for example the ARPANET, that is public, academic, governmental and private networks. We are all familiar with this term internet, and we will see about this in the coming lectures. Now, what are the key components of internet working? The first is the intermediary devices, which include routers and gateways. Next is the protocols, mostly the TCP, that is transmission control protocol, and IP, that is the internet protocol. Addressing data link layer, MAC and network layer addresses. All this we will see in the coming lectures. Now, internetwork addressing, data link layer addresses, that is unique, they are unique to physical network connections. The MAC addresses 48-bit unique identifiers for LAN interfaces. They are split into organizational unique identifier and serial number. And network layer addresses, that is logical addresses that support scalability and hierarchy. So these are basically the three types of addresses which are present in the internet work addressing. Next is the challenges of internet working. So first one is obviously the connectivity issues. That is, if we have various media types and speeds, then there would be connectivity issues. Next is reliability, consistent access to network resources. That means we have to be we have to be reliable on the network resources that are available. Next is the network management, centralized troubleshooting, configuration and security. Then next is flexibility, that is scalability for growth and new applications. All these are the challenges that the internet working face. Advantages and disadvantages. So first let us see the advantages. It has increased connectivity, resource sharing, scalability, improved collaboration and remote access. And the disadvantages that come are security risk, complexity, performance issues, compatibility problems and management overhead. So today we have seen internet working, or rather the basics of internet working. So internet working is essential for modern communication and business operations. It powers the global internet and private networks. It will focus on improving security, compatibility and scalability if we consider the future. And next, and it enables seamless data sharing and collaboration, making the world more connected. So thank you.